is a Rebec.
A what?
A Rebec.
Rebec.
Yeah, R-E-B-E-C. So
R-E-
it's a precursor to the violin.
Okay.
That's right. I need that in order to get. See if I can maybe just push this up.
Quite a few people here today wanting to visit with me in my kingdom, and I could use some extra help. So what do you call the helpers of the Lord of the kingdom?
Servants.
Knights.
Nice.
Oh, my
That's
bad.
why we're going to have a night dubbing ceremony, okay? So again, y'all stand up straight and tall. Be proud. I'm going to tell you some very important words now, okay? So today, as Lord of Newman's Castle, I hereby dub you one and all to be my brave knights for the day. What's your name, ma'am?
Monica?
Monica. Monica's a nice name. But you know what, Monica? You have just been dubbed a knight here at the castle. You're going to need a fancier title than just plain old Monica. So stand up straight now. I don't want no wiggling and squirming going on. I don't need any slip-ups in front of everybody, okay? So today, as Lord of Newman's Castle, I hereby dub you to be called by everyone here in the realm Dame Monica. Give her a hand, guys. Dame Abigail.
Kevin.
Sir Kevin.
Tesla.
What's your name?
Tesla, no.
Sir Tesla. Jose. Sir Jose. Anybody else? Hand over fist, pull the wooden block down.
We're gonna put somebody on it.
Come on, dear. Sit down. As soon as you grab the wooden rope, the wooden arm, pull down on it.
We really wanted to kind of pin it down into the position up here, okay?
He has it locked in position. Let up slowly. Excellent. So, looking around outside the castle walls, they look like a pretty good sized army to me. Looks like you've been going around the countryside, pillaging, plundering, attacking castles for the spoils. You've got a great leader that's been leading you in your campaign to keep you all together, to see that you're united and successful. It's easy to see how successful you guys have been simply by looking at you. You all look well fed.
Definitely.
With that being said, though, I need to now talk to y'all's leader. Who is the leader of this magnificent army?
Sir Chaz.
Here we go. Surtass. I like that.
Surtass.
Sir.
Stand right over here. Turn around and face these guys. T-A-Z,
Yes.
Surtass. This is your army?
Ragtag but fit.
And you've been leading around pillaging and plundering, huh? Figured you might start stinking in a day or two, Taz, but hey, the dog would have some bones to gnaw on. You know what, this morning when they heard you were coming by, they got prepared. They brought themselves in a bunch of extra cookies, cakes, and donuts inside that place. Their plan is simple enough.
We must
Remain
pillage
inside
the
the-
cookies.
Go ahead, tell me what you want to say.
I'm just ad-libbing.
I'll yield to you. I thought I was doing a good job, but
You're
I
doing
didn't.
a great job.
You might have something more that I don't know about.
Go ahead.
They're going to remain inside of the safety of their walls, eating and feasting, having a good time. And but you know what? As they were checking you out, they saw that you had a contraption right over here, pointing in their direction. This is new technology for those fellas. They don't understand what it is nor what it can do. You're the leader, Taz. Now's your chance. Tell your army what this thing is called and what does it do.
It is, I would think, a catapult. And what it does is there's a little pouch on the back, put boulders or rocks in it, and you proceed to launch them against the walls of the castle. With enough repeated hits, it crumbles the rock to where we can breach the walls and take over the castle and get our cookies.
Pretty good.
Although
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean
they haven't raised the
I
drawbridge,
didn't mean to interrupt
we have
you.
an easier way of ingress.
I didn't mean to interrupt you. You through?
I'm through now.
Let me translate what he said. It's a catapult that throws rocks. More specifically, you would call it a trebuchet, the ultimate medieval siege weapon used in the day to put a castle under assault. Very effective at tossing boulders for tremendous distances further than the archers can shoot from the walls with their bows and arrows. So from a safe distance, it looks to me like you set up your trebuchet. You're going to create some havoc and destruction inside those walls. Your army could find a weakness in their defenses. You could go in and take that castle over. Taz, I hate to admit it, but you're pretty sharp to come up with this thing. I built my trebuchet here quite a few years ago. It's been a great little play toy. I've used it to toss a lot of rock, pumpkin, and cantaloupe in the moat over the years. It still style every time we pull the trigger, as long as the rock. You got a plan?
Yes.
Well, good. Stand up right here. Gather your knights in front of you and give them a good old medieval pep talk. I want to hear what you've got to say.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Let me not interrupt you, okay?
the first thing we're going to do is take his bastards. Because this is only going to give people splinters. But I think what we do first of all, let's give them
Step away.
let's give them a demonstration of our trebuchet so they understand what they're up against. And at that point, maybe they will just capitulate and we won't have to shed any blood.
We need to wait for the lady to finish
Oh
crying.
no, let's put her in it.
Good idea. Scare them out. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You through?
Hurrah.
Yes, sir. I don't want to interrupt you. You got anything to say? Okay. Promise them victory.
Victory is assured. I guarantee everybody cookies and sandwiches.
Yeah.
That's a good reason to fight.
Let's the big
This is your last chance. Surrender.
We want cookies!
Never mind.
Ready or no, here we come.
Don't listen to them. Make more noise. Scare them some more. Go. This is your day to die. I don't know. I don't see him surrendering. Guys, follow me over here.
Okay. Oh, whoa.
Give them your best insult.
I bought my stomach.
Smell like feet.
May you all be condemned to drive American cars.
For the Fiat! For the Fiat!
I don't see them surrendering.
They shaking now. Oh yeah, and they're very afraid. Very afraid. Watch out.
Now you gotta go get it for the next crew. Guys, come over here by your leader. The day of battle has now arrived.
We only had one rock.
Are stupid.
Is it safe?
Your leader Taz will be storming the drawbridge, swinging his blade, making a lot of noise. Follow him to victory. Kill him. Taz, face that direction. Pick up your sword. Charge! That means run.
We have a slow army.
I need a new leader.
We'll sneak up on him.
Seriously, I have backpedal.
We'll sneak up on him.
Lady Abigail needs to go
Okay, let's
run.
go.
Let's run!
Follow her. To prosperity and cookies.